Are you an ageless athlete who's looking to incorporate strength training into their exercise routine? Well, don't do another workout before you watch this. Welcome back, everybody. I'm Sean the Floch of Floch Fitness. If you are new to the channel, Floch Fitness is all about fitness, wellness, and longevity for the ageless athlete. So whether it's nutrition tips, product reviews, podcasts, or exercise tutorials like these, you're going to want to hit that subscribe button down below to stay up to date in all of our latest content. You head to the gym, snag a set of dumbbells, hit the bis, hit the tris, maybe even hit some leg press and call it a day. Not so fast. There is more to strength training than just hitting those show muscles. When working with ageless athletes, I incorporate many different exercises with different tempos, intensities, and volume in order for them to maximize the benefits of their strength training. As we age, the need for various strength movements does not change. However, the intensity at which you do those exercises does. Now that you're committed to a strength training routine, you want to avoid these 3 mistakes. Mistake number 1, relying too much on bilateral movements. Bench press, squatting, deadlifting. Those are all bilateral movements where we're using 2 hands or 2 legs at the same time. The most successful ageless athletes that I work with all incorporate unilateral movements into their exercise routine. As we age, balance and stability is key. By incorporating unilateral exercises into your routine, you're going to challenge not only your core, but your balance for your upper and lower body exercises. Mistake number 2, exercising with too much intensity too often. As we age, it's important to prioritize recovery because hitting it too hard, too often stifles progress and increases the risk for injury. Mistake number 3, neglecting speed and power work. As I said before, the needs of the ageless athlete do not change. However, the intensity and volume do. You still need to incorporate speed and power work into your strength training, but you don't have to do it with as much intensity or volume as you did when you were an athlete in high school or in college. Basic plyometric work like jumping, running, skipping can all be incorporated safely into your routine, and they should be on a regular basis. Incorporating speed and power work into your training is going to bulletproof you from injury, so make sure that you're incorporating it on a regular basis. That's all I have for today, but if you like this video or you learned something, make sure you hit that thumbs up button down below, and while you're there, hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date in all of our latest content. I'm Sean the Floch of Floch Fitness. Thank you so much for watching and have an awesome day.